Maxie, can you do your cool trick? Show me. Cool. Kendall, you do your cool trick. Can you do land on your dippy and stand up? Oh, well, or that one. That was fancy. Wow, Maxer. Wow, you did it and I missed it. Keep going. Do it again. Awesome. Max, you do it. Good job, bud. Now do your new cool trick that you just did tonight. Oh, go do it again. Oh, Maxer. Do it one more time.
Oh, what are you doing?
Take my picture. Ow.
Super fun, guys. Super fun. Kendall, can you do a cartwheel? Good job, bud.
Wow, Kendall Reese.
Getting good at that.
Yeah, me, Mommy.
I see you, buddy. Maxie, can you jump around in a circle? Don't jump on Kendall. Oh, don't do that. You'll hurt her belly. I guess so, yeah.
No. Yeah. No.
She said no. Okay. Say bye, camera.